Open Google and go to unsplash.com and download any image you like. If you want, you can use your image too. Most of the time, when I practice my stuffs, I used unsplash.com for images because there you will get free images. So here I found a picture. Let's do the duotone effect on this image. Open image in Photoshop and unlock the background layer by double clicking on it. Now duplicate the layer and go to the blending option. Hide the channel or checkbox. Once you're done, now increase the size of the top layer, or you can move the layer to left or right to see the effect.
Desaturate both the layer to get more realistic effect.
Finally, it's done. Adjust accordingly and save it.